Neck rope secure. Back measurement starting now. Tablet is ready. Recording. Data log. Tusk measurement next.
Tag secure. Collar fit good. Tree set. Toe shape perfect. Heat 10 minutes.
Tagging complete. Ready for reversal. ID 047 registered. All vitals stable. Strap secure. Hook ready. Vitals stable. Easy now. Lower slowly. Trunk clear. Lift steady. Brake secure.
Reversal working.
Standing good. Strap tight. Locked in. All clear. Safe to go. Truck secure. Crate stable. Elephant vitals check. Lift slow. Clear the area. Steady. Crate down. Elephant clear. Ready for next. Easy forward. Position center. Scan 40% complete. High quality data. ID registered as AE47. Hide profile saved. Photos complete. Registration finalized. Ready for phase 6. Top grade hide confirmed.
Careful around eyes. Trunk good.
Clean now. Hide looks perfect. No residue.
Start left side. Good coverage.
Easy in. Speed.
Additive mixed. Massage flanks. Soaking well. Skin responding great.
Dry enough. Hide pristine. Move to drying. Easy now. Solution administered. Down safe. Vital 0. Clear.
Pull steady. Keep tension. Good separation.
Good pull. Keep even.
Almost off flank.
Lift together to the belt. Hide on belt. Clear for next. Speed good. Brush is clean. Clean now. No residue left. Top quality.
Start from center. Good flow. Scrub flanks harder. Even pressure. No tears.
Fold edges. Load even. Secure. Cycle 1 running. Temp stable. Drum cycle done. Hide super clean. To drying next. Rinse complete. Hide looks premium. Ready for drum. Ready. Ready. Hide pre-drain for primary dry.
Wrinkle smooth. Drain good. No folds.
Slide even. Skin side up. No creases. Edge flip. Pool cleared. Looking good. Lift complete. Ready for pre-drain move. Hide pristine. Edge flip. Pool cleared. Looking good. Stretch edges. Even tension. Clip secure. Fans on level 2. Temp holding. Moisture dropping. Tighten flank side. Check center. Good flatness. Heaters at 60%. Monitor edges. No hot spots. Dry to 12. Uniform good. Flip in 10 min. Primary dry done. Hide perfect. To grading next. Check grain direction. No scars visible. Premium section here. Final grade A confirmed. No deductions. Archive photo. Grade A plus on back. Mark pattern lines. Hide score 98%. Feet straight. Align center. Start scan. Thickness pass. Ready for flattening. Top spec confirmed. Center it. Smooth edges. Ready for press. Flatten good. No curls. Ready for straightener. Feed straight. Tension low. First pass good. Align flanks. Straight now. No waves. Pressure at 80 bar. Hold 30 seconds. Even flatten. Final pass. Pressure medium. Tension perfect. Second pass done. Perfectly flat. To pattern designing next. First pass excellent. Minimal wave. Second pass for perfection. Vacuum on. Align with 0 point. Secure flat. Align corners. Scanner on. Capture full grain. Projection perfect. Grain aligned. Finalize layout. Approved for cutting. Vacuum on. Align with 0 point. Secure flat. Cuts complete. All pieces clean. Yield high. To lasting next. Projection perfect. Grain aligned. Finalize layout. Approved for cutting. Align corners. Scanner on. Capture full grain. Cut sequence 1. Clean edges. No fray. Stack aligned. Press cycle. Clean punch all. Guide set. Trim straight. Speed good. Detail clean. Trim curve even. Edge bevel start. Edges perfect. No burrs. Wallet ready. Machine cuts flawless. All pieces ready. To lasting assembly next. White hide premium. Waist tight. No puckers. Hold good. Align heel. Press firm. Hold 30 sec. Toe first. Pull even. Tension even. Trim clean. Lasting perfect. Glue even. Both surfaces. Wait for tack. Toe locked. Heel next. Crimp good. Cycle running. Pressure good. Bond strong. Off last clean. Bond perfect. No gaps. Ready for stitching. Seam straight. Back tack secure. Belt stitch perfect. Lining aligned. Press firm.
Handbag reinforcement set.
Pull even tension. Stitch count 8 per inch. Wallet edges clean. Alignment good. Base secure. All pieces ready for full stitch. White hide flawless. Eyelet set. Buckle aligned. Secure tight. Stitch guide marked. Thread double. Handbag edges ready. card slots even, edge stitch tight, wallet complete. Shoulder seam first, sleeve set good, collar aligned, seam closed, heel stitch secure, loafer assembly done. Spray full panels, buff sleeves even, grain popping, spray light coat, buff corners hard, luster perfect. Spray even, buff toe first, shine coming up. All assembled, no loose seams, premium white finish, ready for polishing and packing. Shine uniform, no streaks, white glow perfect, ready for packing. Spray full strap, buff long strokes, edges crisp. Pouches in, belt coiled, box sealed. Sleeves sleeved, fold shoulders, garment bag secure. Trees in, wrap even, box secure. Stock ready, crate count 12, all secure. Lift steady, pallet in, clear, strap tight, corner protected, load complete. Truck clear, exiting now. Gate clear. Safe travel.
Truck here. Ready to unload.
Evening, sir. Shipment arrived. All secure? All secure. Easy down. Hold steady. First pallet clear. Shoes this way, handbag careful, to warehouse. Shoes on shelf 3, inventory scan done, all accounted.
Light on loafers, handbag centered, perfect glow.
Shoes front, handbag tilt good, shine even. Ready for opening? Displays perfect. Beautiful white, very soft. Premium albino leather, sir. Beautiful white. Hand stitched, rare white hide. Wow.